Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to split large PDF with multiple pages and parse each page using PDF.co and make. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will use this sample large PDF with multiple pages to split into individual files and parse each page separately. By following the steps outlined, you'll learn how to effectively divide the PDF into individual pages and extract the desired information from each page. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Make account and create a new scenario. Next, search and select the PDF.co app. And choose the Make an API call module. This will allow us to access and utilize the functionalities and data provided by the API. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. Start by connecting your PDF.co account to Make by adding your API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. In the API endpoint path field, enter the endpoint for splitting PDF pages. This specific endpoint allows us to split multiple PDF pages into individual PDF files. In the input type field, choose the override URL param with value option. This selection enables you to directly input the URL of the source file. For the URL field, input the direct URL of your source PDF file. If you're using a file instead of a URL, you have the option to utilize PDF.co file storage. This service can store your file and convert it into a URL that is exclusively used for PDF.co processes. Then provide a name for your desired output PDF files. In the body param section, for item 1, type pages as the key and use an asterisk as the value. Using the asterisk ensures that all pages will be split into individual files. For item 2, enter inline as the key, and set the value to true. Setting the value of inline to true will result in the inclusion of the response's results within the response itself. After setting up the configuration, run the scenario to split the pages into individual files. We successfully split PDF pages into an individual PDF files. We will now add the iterator tools to iterate the details of the files and process the collection as a whole. In this step, we will incorporate iterator tools, which will enable us to access the details of all files and perform operations on each file as a whole. Within the Array section of Flow Control, select the PDF.co body array that contains all the split PDF files. Once the body array has been added, execute the scenario to iterate through all the files within a single link. The scenario has been executed successfully and has returned the iterator value. Now we can proceed to add another module and parse each file individually. In this step, we will incorporate an additional module by selecting the PDF.co app. And we will choose the Parse a document option to allow us to parse the data of each file individually. Let's proceed with configuring the PDF.co settings. First, select the Import a file from URL option to utilize the iterator response value. Next, enter the iterator response value for the URL field. Then input the ID of the template containing the parsed data. You can create a template ID using the PDF.co document parser template editor. For a quick tutorial on template creation, refer to the link that we provided below. For this demo, we will use the default value of the template ID. Once the configuration is set up, proceed to execute the scenario in order to parse the data of each file individually. PDF.co successfully process our request and parse the data of each file. To view the output, copy the URL and paste it into your web browser. Here's the parsed data value in JSON format. For more information on PDF.co and its features, please visit our website to access our tutorials. You can also explore our YouTube channel, where we regularly update our latest videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon to stay up to date on our latest content. Thank you for watching.